Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajeet. Today we will be seeing how you can pair your mobile with the media player available inside the car via Bluetooth. Right now there is no audio. Just press the setup button once and then you will see this display. Then you have to press the tune button twice. Then it will show pairing logo over there. Now you need to enable your Bluetooth of mobile and just tap it once again to have the quick settings. As you can see, it is searching for the devices. Right now you need to press the tune button available on the media player once again. By pressing the button you will see the searching as well the passkey on the media player display. Now wait for the Bluetooth device to be shown on the mobile. Okay, now we have Maruti Suzuki over here. Like clicking it once, we will start the pairing process. So as the car is showing 4 times 0 as a passkey, we'll just insert it, and right now we are connected with the mobile. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajeet signing off from SMARTDrive.